stop exfoliating your skin. Put away every product that you've been using that exfoliates your skin. Bring in hydrating, repairing ingredients into your routine. Niacinamide and ceramides will be your best friend. Welcome back. I'm glad you're here. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Rukaniba, and in this space, we're all about self-care. Primarily, skincare tips and product recommendations to help you radiate with confidence. If this is something that you're interested in, hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you never miss out on any of my weekly uploads. In this session, we are going to be talking about skin barrier. Previously, we talked about what the skin barrier is and how to maintain it. The skin barrier is the outermost layer of your skin. It acts as a protective shield that retains the good nutrients and ensure moisture in your skin, while protecting your skin from toxins, from pollutants, and other environmental stressors. So it's very important that you protect this layer of skin. Today we're talking about signs of a damaged skin barrier and what to do when you realize that your skin barrier has been compromised. Some common signs of a compromised skin barrier: redness and irritation, sensitivity. Products that you normally tolerated, your skin starts reacting to them. You start feeling this stingy sensation when you apply products that you've been using previously. That's another sign that your skin barrier has been compromised. I personally experienced this a while ago. I think sometime in 2022, I used too many exfoliating products and my skin barrier became compromised. And then I incorporated chemical sunscreen in my routine, not knowing that a compromised skin does not handle chemical or actives very well. And it worsened the condition. It took me a while to heal my skin, which is why I will encourage you to take your skin barrier health seriously. If your skin barrier is already compromised, you can also notice that your skin is flaky, your skin is dry, it's looking dull. This is common for people with dry skin. Their skin starts looking flaky. Those of us with oily skin, you start noticing breakouts, and then your skin is just acting up. Your skin barrier is probably compromised. Now, how do you fix it? That is the most important thing that we're going to be talking about today. How do you fix a compromised skin barrier? Because one of the primary causes of a compromised skin barrier is usually over-exfoliation. The first step will be stop exfoliating your skin. Put away every product that you've been using that exfoliates your skin. Be it skin scrubs, be it facial cleansing tools, be it exfoliating toners. You have to put away everything that exfoliates your skin. Bring in hydrating, repairing ingredients into your routine. Niacinamide and ceramides will be your best friends. Hyaluronic acid is equally one of them, because you need products that soothe, hydrate your skin. You don't want anything that would dry out your skin. So you'll be bringing in things like ceramides and hydrators to help speed up that healing. And you are going to put away every product that has fragrance. Some people can comfortably tolerate fragrance products, but when your skin is sensitive, fragrances are not your friend, because sensitive skin does not tolerate fragrances well. So you want to put away products that have fragrances. Go for gentle cleansers and lightweight moisturizers, because the goal here is to just cleanse and moisturize your skin. Another thing you should do is incorporate sunscreen. I've realized that zinc oxide or titanium dioxide are the best additions during this time. I personally love zinc oxide because it equally helps to speed up wound healing. So if one of your symptoms of compromised skin barrier is breakouts or redness, a sunscreen with zinc oxide will really help to speed up that process for you. So there you have it. Common signs of a compromised skin barrier and how to fix it. If any of this resonates with you, let me know in the comments if you need further help with finding the right products to incorporate into your routine. If this session was valuable to you and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, turn on your notification so you do not miss out on any of my weekly uploads. Share the video with someone who can benefit from it as well. And as always, take care of your skin and stay radiant.